Now we are going to look at that how can we export the report from the Tally program. So I have opened the Staffing Private Limited, the current period 1 for 2017 to 31st 3 2018. Whatever report, if you want to be export, it's very simple. So now I'm going to be export the profit and loss account. So I came to the gateway of Tally. Under the gateway of Tally, you can see that profit and loss account. I'm going to be press. If you want more details, press Alt plus F1 and you can see all the details of the profit and loss account. Before you are going to export the report, press F12 key, or otherwise you can see the configuration. You can click here. The configuration window will be appear. What are the configuration you want, you can change it. So the first one, show vertical profit and loss account. This is the horizontal profit and loss account. So if you want to be change the vertical profit and loss account, you can type yes. For example, I'm going to be type yes. You can see here the vertical profit and loss account. So now I'm going to be change the configuration. No. The second one is show percentage. It means that if you want each segment in the right side, if you want to be show the percentage, if you want to be get the percentage, you can type yes. So I'm going to be type yes. You can see the difference. Now you can see here as a percentage will be appear as well here also. So that's the percentage configuration. I'm going to be press again F12 key and I'm going to be type no. The third one is show with gross profit. If you want to show with gross profit, type yes. So then you can see the different. So there is gross profit and net profit, it will show to you. If you don't want, you can change no, then the gross profit not appeared. You can see here there is no gross profit, only net profit will be appear. So that is the difference between show with gross profit and net profit. So I'm going to be change show with gross profit. Yes, I need. So then appearance of the name only, it's better. And the other one is scale factor for the values, it's a default. But if you want to scroll by hundreds, you can choose scroll by 100 or lakhs, million, or whatever you can select. So based on your values. So for an example, if it is the company's the amount is like a billion, so you can scroll by hundreds or lakhs, something like that. That's better for you. So that is the configuration is scroll factors for the value. So then I'm going to be choose the default right now, and default you can see that everything is up here. But I'm going to be change, there is no gross profit. Here is gross profit not showing. I'm going to be enable. How can I enable? Press F12 key and you can see that show with gross profit. I'm going to be type yes, and then you can see the gross profit, you can see here, and net profit also, right? So this is the configuration F12 into Tally program. So then if you want to be export, you can press here export key, otherwise Alt plus E, right? Exporting profit and loss window will be appear. So now I'm going to be type N. If I type N, it's mean no. I'm going to be press N, so that's no. Now I'm going to be export the report in two format. The first one is Excel format, other one is HTML format. So the export profit and loss window, what other things include? The first language mean what is the language you need to be use. I'm going to be choose the default all language except. The second I'm going to be enter, and the second I'm going to be explain the Excel format first. So I'm going to be choose the Excel format. Then output file name, if you want you can type whatever name. I'm going to be type Safin, but the extension should be include the end of the report. So I'm going to be type Safin profit and loss dot extension XLS, right? So then I'm going to be enter the output sheet name is profit and loss account output sheet name, and then the next one is update existing file. I'm going to be type yes. The Excel spreadsheet format means that the Excel spreadsheet format yes. If you type no, it is not Excel format, so I'm going to be type yes. The next one is with color or without color. I don't need the color, so I'm going to be type no. Then scroll factors we studied in the previously. It means that configurations, it's also same, scroll factors as well default, and then a format is the details. So vertical profit and loss no, and show percentage no. If you want you can type yes, if you don't want you can type no. Or show with the gross profit yes, I want, then you can enter. It will ask export. If you select yes, the report will be export. Profit and loss account export into the Tele ERP 9 folder. It means that she folder. You can see where the Tele install in your computer, that place it will be stored. So you can see I'm going to be show you where the Tele this profit and loss account report store. So go to the computer, under the computer C program and Tele ERP 9. So you can see here Safin profit and loss account. This is the file name. So if you run the file, you can see this is the Excel file. So the details also provide.